guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my gizzard sauce. But before I get started, you know how we do it now. I would like to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you so much. I really love you guys. And if you are new to my video, kindly subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Let's get started. So I will be showing you how I make my gizzard sauce. So guys, I have my curry here. I have my thyme. So I have my turmeric. I have my cumin. And I also add my seasoning cube. So I have my salt. So guys, let's get started. So I already have my gizzard. I already washed my gizzard and I just put it inside the heat and I turn it into a high heat. So I put my seasoning cube and I put my ingredients. So right now guys, I'm going to be adding my onions. So guys, my gizzard is already cooked well. So now I'm about to fry my gizzard. Let's fry it. So I'll be taking that to put it inside the oil. I already put my oil on cooker before, so you can see that. Wow, look at that.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So guys, I just done frying my gizzard and I will be using the same oil to fry my onion. Actually, the oil is too much, so I try to reduce the oil. And I'll be using it to fry my onions. So just fry it maybe like 2 minutes.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the house.
I have my blended pepper and I already parboiled it, so I'll be adding that inside my onion. And I will make sure I fry it very well. So now guys, I will be adding my seasoning cube. I will add my salt. I will add my curry. I will add my thyme. And I will leave that for fry. So right now guys, it's already fried. I'm going to be adding my gizzard. Wow guys, you can look at that. Look at how nice it is. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comment down below and see you in my next video. Bye.